My dear every learners, welcome to you on behalf of Khulna Online School. My dear learners, how are you? Actually, are you okay? Take the well wishes from the core of my heart. I am your Rafia ma'am with you. Okay? And you know, I am also a YouTuber of English with Rafia ma'am. My dear every learners, after many days, I am taking your online class. Okay? So please tell me, is everything okay? Can you hear me? Is it visible to you? Can you see me? If everything is okay, please share this video with your friends so that your every friend can get the opportunity to enjoy our class. And today actually I am going to take the class of, this is English class, English first part class of class 6. This is different type of class and this is for English first part class. Okay, so today we are discussing about class 6. Okay, my dear learners, if everything is okay, please share this video with your friends. Okay, my dear learners, before going to our class, I will show you 2 pictures so that you can understand, you can gauge actually what may be our today's class, in which topic we are going to take our class. So look at me very attentively. Can you see this? Yes, I hope you can see this. This is what? Can you tell? Who can tell me? Please respond me by comment. Who can tell me at first? Actually, what is this? And I will show you another thing. Okay, can you see this? Is it visible to you? This is another thing for you. Okay, my dear learners, and can you tell me actually what is this? Who can tell me at first? Please hurry up. I want to see who can tell me at first. Here I see MT Abdullah Al Mahmood. Good, interesting class. Okay, thank you. Actually, I am trying my best to take your class very interestingly. And Tajib Farhan bolche, okay, Mehdi Hassan Rupok is watching. Thank you, Mehdi Hassan Rupok. Okay, so who can tell me at first what is the first picture and what is the second picture? Okay, learners, please hurry up and please respond me by comment, and I am telling you. Okay, here you see, this is our National Memorial. Okay, this is our National Memorial, which is situated at Savar. Okay, and another thing you see, this is Shohid Minar, which is situated in front of Dhaka Medical College Hospital. Okay, okay, my dear learners, but actually what I mean to say, can you tell me, these things has a symbol, and what is the symbol of these things? What is the symbol of National Memorial and what is the symbol of Shohid Minar? You know, this is the symbol of our independence. Okay, National Memorial is the symbol of our independence, and another thing, this is Shohid Minar, which is the symbol of our language movement. But all these things are our what? Can you tell me? all these, that means these two things are our what? What will be? Yes, these two things are our pride. Yes, of course, you have told correctly. And your answer is absolutely correct. These two things are our pride. So our today's lesson is our pride of class 6. So our today's topic is our pride. Okay, we feel proud for our National Memorial and for our Shohid Minar also. And basically in today's class, I am going to teach you something about National Memorial. That means this is about our War of Liberation. And in another class, I will teach you about Shohid Minar. So I am quitting this, and today actually I am going to take your class based on this National Memorial. That means this National Memorial is the symbol of our independence. And can you tell me when we became independent? Yes, ma'am, of course. We became independent in 1971. Okay, learners. And this is our pride lesson in your textbook for class 6. For class 6, you will see this is for lesson 14 and open at page 46. Okay, my dear learners, open at page 46 and lesson 14. This is for our pride. Okay, so before going to our passage, I am telling you something. I am telling you the history, the background of our National Memorial or of our today's passage. Okay, learners, actually we know what is our Independence Day. 26 March is our Independence Day, and this day is very memorable for us. Yes, in this day we feel two things. One is for pleasure and another is for also sad. How we feel pleasure? Yes, actually we feel pleasure on 26 March because this is our Independence Day. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, who is the father of our Bengali nation, declared the independence of Bangladesh on this day. So it has become our Independence Day and we feel very pleasure for that. Okay? Yes. But we also feel very sad. But why? Why we feel very sad? We feel very sad because, you know, at the midnight of 25th March, the Pakistani army swooped upon the Bengali, and the Bengali were very innocent, very unarmed, and they were also sleeping. That means they were very inactive, and at this moment, that means at that moment, the Pakistani army swooped upon us. But you know, we are the Bengali nation who are very courageous. We did not let it go unchallenged and we started fighting. Okay? And after fighting for 9 months, we have got our victory. And you know, 16th December is our victory day. Okay, learners? And on this day, we also feel our freedom fighters who laid down their lives during the War of Liberation in 1971. Okay? and we also pay our respect to them, and we also take a promise that we will build our Sonar Bangla, which Bangabandhu dreamed of. Okay, so my dear learners, actually I have told you the history behind this national memorial, and when we become independent, then we get our national memorial. Okay, and this is the symbol of our Independence Day. So today's topic, we have seen here our pride. Okay learners, and before going to our passage, I want to teach you some new vocabulary related to this passage, which vocabulary may be difficult for the students of class 6. Okay, so before going to our vocabulary, I want to see who are with us. Okay, here we see Oliulla said, okay, yes. সবুজ হাসান স্যার আছেন, লিখেছেন 83 লাইভ ভিউয়ার। থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার। স্যার আপনাদের সহযোগিতায় অবশ্যই আমাদের ভিউয়ার সংখ্যা অনেক বেশি থাকবে, এটা আমরা এক্সপেক্ট করতেছি। থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার। So learners, please, I am telling you again, share this video with your friends so that your every friend can participate in our class. Okay, now I am going to teach you some new vocabulary related to the passage of this text. Okay, so before going to our text, I want to teach you those new vocabulary, so look at this. Okay learners, please look at this. At first you see what? First one is unforgettable. What is unforgettable? Do you know? Can you gauge what is unforgettable? Yes, unforgettable means which we cannot forget, which we have to remember, which we have to keep it mind. Okay, that means something which is very memorable to you, you cannot forget. I want to give you some examples, like your birthday. Can you forget your birthday? No ma'am, this is unforgettable to me. Yes, of course. Like this, marriage anniversary, this is also unforgettable. Okay, your first day to school, this is also unforgettable. We cannot forget ma'am, we can never forget the memories of our first day to school. Okay, and you can again tell 26 March is our Independence Day, and we cannot forget this. 21st February is our language day, we cannot forget it. That means unforgettable. Have you understood? Learners, I hope you have understood this. That means which you cannot forget, you have to remember, you have to keep it mind. This is called unforgettable. Okay learners, okay, then you see another thing is declare. Actually, what is declare? Declare means announcing, like this, announcing. Okay, when we take on device, it may be mic or another thing, and we announce something. Hello, listen to me, I am telling something, like this. This is called declare or announce. Have you understood? I hope you have understood. Okay, when we say something like this, this is announcing. Okay, and you know Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman declared the independence of Bangladesh before his arrest by the Pakistani army. Okay, so this is called declare or announce something. Okay learners, then you see another new word, This is for pledge. So what is actually pledge? My dear learners, please try to remember your school day, and every day you take your assembly, okay? And in your assembly, every day you take this pledge, okay? Like this. This is pledge or oath or promise. You take promise, we'll never tell a lie, okay? We'll do something for our country. This is called pledge. And have you forgotten your pledge? No? When your school will start, then your oath, your promise, your pledge will start again in your assembly, okay learners? And then you see another thing, which is fearless. And actually what is fearless? Okay learners, I'm telling you, fearless. Learners, can you see what is this? Yes, this is a lion actually. And you know, though lion is the king of animal in the forest, I want to tell you another thing. Actually, lion is very ferocious, okay? Very dangerous. And here you see fearless. This is very opposite to lion. Dissimilar words to lion. Sorry, this is very similar. Fearless. This lion does not fear anything. This lion is very fearless. Okay? When we see something very courageous, very heroic, then this is called fearless. And you know, we feel very fear at this lion, but lion is very fearless. The lion moves on the forest very fearlessly, very courageously, very brave, okay? And you have to be very brave like this lion, okay learners? And you know, our freedom fighters were very fearless, they were very courageous. And you will not also fear COVID-19, okay? And then another thing you see, this is for sufferings. What is for sufferings? That means the sad things which you have to endure, okay? This is called suffering. Suppose the patient of coronavirus or the patient addicted by COVID-19, they are suffering a lot and they are enduring the pain so much. This is called suffering. And you know, the people of our country suffered very much at the time of Liberation War in 1971, okay? This is for suffering. And last one, what is the last one? Last thing you see, this is for surrender. And actually, what is surrender? Can you guess? Surrender, that means when we take something like this, here I am surrendering myself, I do not want to fight with you, okay? I am taking my defeat, I do not want to fight with you, and I am keeping my arms. This is like surrender, okay? Okay, my dear learners, I hope you have understood these new vocabularies. And now you will see your passage. So, my dear learners, please open your textbook and you will see the passage here. And here I see এম মোর্শেদ পাইল স্যার আছেন, স্যার আমাদের চমৎকার বলেছেন, থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার। হ্যাঁ, এমডি অলিউল্লাহ আওয়ার প্রাইড ক্লাসের নাম বলতে পারার জন্য অনেক ধন্যবাদ। হ্যাঁ, সবুজ স্যার বলছেন লাইভ চলাকালীন 12 মিনিট একটা শেয়ার, আমরা কৃতজ্ঞ গর্বিত, থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার। আসলে শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, তোমাদের যে কমেন্ট শেয়ার, এটা অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমাদের জন্য মোটিভেশন, এর চেয়ে আর বেশি কিছু আমাদের জন্য নেই গো। হ্যাঁ, আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি মিন্টু অলি আছে, দারুণ বলেছেন। মিন্টু অলি বলছেন স্মার্ট টিচার, অ্যাকচুয়ালি এরকম কিছুই না। অনেক অনেক ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে। ওকে শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, চলো এবার আমরা আমাদের প্যাসেজটা দেখি। ওকে শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, নিশ্চয়ই তোমরা এর মধ্যে তোমাদের টেক্সট বুকটা খুলে দিয়েছো। চলো আমরা প্যাসেজটা দেখি। এখানে আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি কি, ফর দ্য পিপল অফ বাংলাদেশ, মার্চ ইজ দ্য মান্থ অফ আনফরগেটেবল মেমোরিজ। This is the month of March, which is very unforgettable for us, which we cannot forget. For why? For two things. Two things is what? Memories of pride. This is memories for pride, and as well as sorrow and grief. Yes, you know that. This is also for sorrow and grief. It is a month of proud memories because in this month, in 1971, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman declared the independence of Bangladesh. So can you tell me actually who declared the independence of Bangladesh? Yes ma'am, of course. Why not? This is Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman who declared the independence of Bangladesh. And when he declared the independence of Bangladesh, look at here. In the early hours of 26 March, shortly before his arrest by the Pakistani army. You know, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was arrested by the Pakistani army at the very early hour of 26 March. And before his arrest, he declared the independence of Bangladesh. Okay, learners? Then you see, Bangabandhu declared the independence of Bangladesh. Now 26 March is our Independence Day. So what is our Independence Day? Is it 21st February? No ma'am, this is 26 March, which is our Independence Day. And then you see, which we celebrate annually with pride and joy. And you know, every year we celebrate our Independence Day. And in this year, because of COVID-19, we cannot celebrate our Independence Day outly, but we have celebrated this day innerly. Okay, and then you see, but March is the month of memories for us, for sad memories for us. This is month which is why sad memories. Here you will see, on the 25th March 1971, the Pakistani army swooped upon the Bengalis. They attacked the Bengalis when? At the very midnight of 25th March. And they killed many unarmed and innocent men, women and children in Dhaka. Okay? In that date, the Pakistani army killed many Bengalis, many men, many women, many children who were sleeping, who were very unarmed. They have no protection with them. They have no arm. Okay? Okay, learners. Then what you see? The Bengalis did not let it go unchallenged. We know this is Bengali nation, which is very rebel, which is very courageous, and we did not let it go unchallenged. We started fighting. Okay, they started resisting Pakistani army. That means we started fighting against the Pakistani army, and the war of liberation began. Then from when our war of liberation began? Our war of liberation began from 26 March in 1971. On the 16th December of the same year, that means in 1971, a new nation, independent Bangladesh was born. When our independent Bangladesh was born, we become victorious. We get our victory when? On 16th December. Okay, learners? This is why, December 16 is our victory day. Why December 16 is our victory day? Because in this day, that means in that day, the Pakistani army surrendered themselves and we got our victory. And 16 December is our victory day when the Pakistani army surrendered unconditionally. They surrendered without any condition and we become a free nation. Okay, learners? And then you see something after that. We, the Bengalis, celebrate the Victory Day. Every year we celebrate our Language Day, our Independence Day, our Victory Day. And what we celebrate? We celebrate these days by remembering the roles of the freedom fighters. You know, our freedom fighters fought very courageously, very bravely, and we remember their role, how they have fought, how they have sacrificed their lives. And then you see, on the other hand, we sadly remember all the sufferings that our people endured during the liberation war. You know, we have to suffer. We have to suffer alone. So we also remember that suffering. We pay our deep respect to the martyrs. Who are the martyrs? Martyrs, that means the freedom fighters who have laid their lives during the war of liberation. Okay? That means who were dead at the war of liberation. We respect to the martyrs who gave their lives for the independence of Bangladesh. Okay? Along with celebrating the Victory Day every year, we should make a pledge. That means we should make a promise, a oath. And what is the oath? To work unitedly. That means to work together. To build what? To build the Sonar Bangla that Bangabandhu dreamed of. Who is the father of our Bengali nation? Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman dreamed of. He dreamed to make our Bangla Sonar Bangla. And so for fulfilling his desire, fulfilling his dream, we should work unitedly, not in a part and part. We should work unitedly to build our country, Sonar Bangla. Okay, my dear learners, have you understood this passage? Okay, and after this passage, now you will see here some question like matching, like answering question. Okay, so before going to question, I want to see something. এখানে ওয়াজির হোসেন বলেছেন যে ক্লাস 6 এর ক্লাসে ইংরেজি পাশাপাশি বাংলায় বুঝিয়ে দিলে ভালো হতো। জানি না মাধ্যমিক স্তরের ইংরেজি ক্লাস সম্পূর্ণ ইংরেজিতে পরিচালনা নির্দেশনা আছে কি না। হ্যাঁ, নির্দেশনা আছে ইংলিশে পরিচালনা করার। যদি সেটা শিক্ষার্থীরা বুঝতে অসুবিধা না হয় সেখানে বাংলাও বলা যেতে পারে। ঠিক আছে, যে কোনো প্রয়োজন আমি বাংলা বলবো অবশ্যই। রেজাউল ইসলাম সুজন বলতেছেন যে ডিয়ার ম্যাম, ইউ আর আউটস্ট্যান্ডিং, ইউর ভয়েস ইজ ভেরি সুইট। আসলে তেমন কিছুই না। আচ্ছা, এরপর আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি যে জেডার মুরাদ বলতেছেন দিস ক্লাস ইজ ভেরি নাইস, থ্যাংক ইউ। আচ্ছা শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, আমরা অনেকেই দেখতে পাচ্ছি আমাদের সঙ্গে আছে। তো শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, যারা এখনও ভিডিওটি শেয়ার করনি, প্লিজ দ্রুত ফ্রেন্ডদের মধ্যে শেয়ার করে দাও, যাতে করে আমাদের প্রত্যেকটা ফ্রেন্ড ক্লাসটা এনজয় করতে পারে, তাই না? তো শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, যদি তোমাদের কিছু বুঝতে অসুবিধা হয় তাহলে আমি আর একটু বাংলায় বলেই দেই আর কি। আসলে আমাদের এই প্যাসেজটা হচ্ছে কিসের উপর, যে আওয়ার প্রাইড, আমাদের যে গর্ব, আমরা কী নিয়ে গর্ব করতেছি, এই যে আমরা একটু ফ্রি, আমরা একটি স্বাধীন দেশের নাগরিক, তাই না? তো এটা আমরা কীভাবে পেয়েছিলাম, যে 26শে মার্চের খুব আগে মানে ঠিক প্রথম প্রহরের দিকে বঙ্গবন্ধু শেখ মুজিবুর রহমানকে যখন পাকিস্তানি আর্মিরা অ্যারেস্ট করেন, তার ঠিক আগ দিয়ে তিনি কী করেছিলেন, আমাদের স্বাধীনতার ঘোষণা দিয়ে গেছিলেন, তাই না? আর কি বলা হয়েছে, যে তার আগে যে 25 মার্চ, আমরা যেটাকে কালো রাত্রি বলে জানি, সেখানে কি হয়েছিল, পাকিস্তানি আর্মিরা নিরস্ত্র এবং ঘুমন্ত বাঙালির উপরে তারা ঠিক মধ্যরাতে ঝাঁপিয়ে পড়েছিল, যাতে করে সবাই অপ্রস্তুত থাকে, ঘুমিয়ে থাকবে, অস্ত্রও থাকবে না। এখানে বলা হচ্ছে ইনোসেন্ট, মানে আমরা আসলে এই বিষয়টা একেবারেই জানতাম না, আমরা এখানে খুব নিষ্পাপ ছিলাম, আমরা বুঝতে পারিনি যেভাবে একটা হামলা হতে পারে, আমরা রেডিও ছিলাম না, তাই না? তারা সে রাতে কী করেছিল, ঢাকায় একদম গণহত্যা চালিয়েছিল। দেখা গেছে যে অনেক, ওখানে বলা হয়েছে মেন, অনেক পুরুষ মানুষ মারা গিয়েছিল, অনেক উইমেন মারা গিয়েছিল, চিলড্রেন, শিশুরাও কিন্তু মারা গিয়েছিল, তাই না? কিন্তু তোমরা তো জানো যে আমরা বাঙালি জাতিরা কি বিদ্রোহী জাতি, তাই না? তখন আমরা কি করলাম, তাদের বিরুদ্ধে যুদ্ধ শুরু করলাম। আর এই যুদ্ধটা দীর্ঘ কতদিন চললো বলো তো, প্রশ্ন থাকবে কিন্তু, একদম 16ই ডিসেম্বর পর্যন্ত। 16ই ডিসেম্বরে এসে কী হলো, 16ই ডিসেম্বরে পাকিস্তানি আর্মিরা আনকন্ডিশনালি, কোনো শর্ত ছাড়াই কী করলো, তাদের সারেন্ডার করলো, আত্মসমর্পণ করলো। তখন আমরা একটা স্বাধীন দেশ পেয়ে গেলাম, আমরা বিজয়ী হইলাম। তাই বলা হচ্ছে যে 1971 সালের যে মার্চ মাস, এই যে মার্চটাকে আমরা দুইভাবেই পেয়ে থাকি, একটা হচ্ছে আমাদের একটা স্বাধীনতার মাস, এটা যেমন আমাদের কাছে প্লেজার, আবার আমরা কষ্টও পাই, যে আমাদের যুদ্ধ শুরু হয়েছিল, আমাদের কতটা না কষ্ট এন্ডিওর করতে হয়েছিল, তাই না? আচ্ছা শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, তারপর আমরা আরও কী পাচ্ছি, যে আমরা যে প্রত্যেক 26শে মার্চ প্রতি হচ্ছে তোমার 16ই ডিসেম্বর আমরা কী করি, সেলিব্রেট করি, তাই না? আর এই সেলিব্রেটের সময় কী করি, আমাদের যে ফেয়ারলেস, আমাদের যে নির্ভীক মুক্তিযোদ্ধারা ছিল, তাদেরকে আমরা স্মরণ করি, সম্মান করি। আরও স্মরণ করি আমরা কি, এই যে আমাদের পুরো জাতিকে যে কষ্টটা সহ্য করতে হয়েছিল ওই সময়ে, সেটাও কিন্তু আমরা স্মরণ করি। আর আমরা একটি কী প্রতিজ্ঞা করি বলো তো, আমরা প্রতিজ্ঞা করি যে আমাদের বঙ্গবন্ধু শেখ মুজিবুর রহমান যে স্বপ্ন দেখেছিলেন যে আমরা সোনার বাংলা গড়ব, এই সোনার বাংলা গড়ার আমরা একসঙ্গে যদি আমরা কাজ করি, তাহলে কিনা আমরা সোনার বাংলা গড়তে পারবো, তাই না শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা? আচ্ছা শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, তোমরা একটি জিনিস খেয়াল করো, যে এই যে কোভিড-19 জন্য যে আমাদের শিক্ষা প্রতিষ্ঠান বন্ধ রয়েছে, এই জন্য তোমাদের কী হয়েছে, সংসদ টেলিভিশন থেকে শুরু করে, কিশোর বাতায়ন থেকে শুরু করে, বিভিন্ন বিভাগীয় অনলাইন থেকে জেলা পর্যায়ে, বিভিন্ন স্কুল পর্যায়ে এই যে অনলাইন ক্লাসগুলো শুরু হয়েছে, তাই না? আমরা কিন্তু সবাই ইউনাইটেডলি কাজ করছি বলে এটা তোমার হচ্ছে গিয়ে সক্ষম হয়েছে। তুমি তার আগে আসো, যে অনলাইন ক্লাসের পূর্বে কিন্তু আমরা, দেখা যাচ্ছে আমার কিন্তু একটি ইউটিউব চ্যানেল আছে, তাই না? এরকম আরও কিছু টিচার ইউটিউব চ্যানেল ছিল, যারা আমরা কী ছিলাম, অভ্যস্ত ছিলাম ক্লাস নিয়েই। তো এরকম কয়টা ছিলাম, আমরা ছিলাম হাতে গোনা 10 জন। তো আমরা এই 10 জন দিয়ে কি আমরা পুরো সারা বাংলাদেশটা আমরা চালাতে পারতাম, বা এতটা অ্যাক্টিভলি পার্টিসিপেট করতেও পারতাম না, করাতেও পারতাম না। কিন্তু দেখো আজকে বাংলাদেশের অনেক শিক্ষক তোমাদের ক্লাস দিতেছেন, যার জন্য আমরা কিন্তু ইউনাইটেডলি সবাই যার যার অবস্থান থেকে কিন্তু আমরা চেষ্টা করছি, তাহলে কিন্তু আমরা এখানে সফল হতে পারবো, তাই না? তো তেমনই শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, আসলে আমরা যদি ইউনাইটেডলি ওয়ার্ক টুগেদার, তাহলে আমরা কিন্তু বঙ্গবন্ধুর সেই স্বপ্নটা বাস্তবায়ন করতে পারবো। আর এটা আমাদেরও স্বপ্ন, যে হ্যাঁ আমাদের বাংলাটা আমরা সোনার বাংলায় করব। তো শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, এরপরে আমরা পাবো, চলো আমরা এবার কিছু প্রশ্ন দেখে নিই। তার প্রশ্ন দেখার আগে দেখি তোমরা আর কেউ কিছু বলতে চাচ্ছ কি না। তোমরা একটা অ্যাডভাইস দিয়েছিলে বাংলায় নেওয়ার জন্য। হ্যাঁ, যে আর মুরাদ আবারও বলছেন যে প্লিজ টেল অ্যানি বাংলা। হ্যাঁ, বাংলায় বলে দিয়েছি, অনেক ধন্যবাদ। So my dear learners, again here you see one chart, and sorry, this is for New Earth, and you will see here another thing. Okay, this is for your matching, so please be ready and please share this video with your friends before this class, that means this lesson, okay, so that your every friend can participate in our class. Okay learners, here is your column A and here you see column B. That means you have to match the familiar word of column A with the word of column B. Okay, I am reading this. Here at first you see annually. Actually, what is annually? Can you get? Annually. Okay, in once a year, how many days you can get about your birthday? Just for one time. In 1 year, you get your marriage anniversary for one time, one day. So, for the long year, you get this thing about your birthday just one day. This is annually. Okay? And then you see another thing which is heroic. Heroic. I have shown you this lion. Okay, lion. This is very fearless, very heroic, very courageous, very brave. Okay, and like this, our freedom fighters also very heroic. And then you see liberation. Liberation means when we become free. Okay, this is liberation. When we do not have any boundary, we get free. Like bird. Bird has not any boundary. Okay, bird can fly in the sky at large. So this is liberation. And another thing, this is surrender. Okay, I have told this is what is surrender actually in your new words. And that again, endure. You do not have to anything but enduring. Okay, and then you see pledge. Okay, this is pledge. Okay learners, and here this is for courageous. This is for freedom once a year, promise to bear and to admit defeat and give up. So who can tell me at first what will be the meaning of annually? This is for first, second, that means A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, so for number 1, what will be the answer? Who can tell me at first? And please match this. Please try this. Try to match. Okay learners, so who can match at first? I want to see, please try to match this. Okay, I want to see who can give me the answer first. Learners, please respond by comment. What will be for annually? Is it for courage or freedom or once a year or promise or to bear or to admit defeat and give up? What will be the answer? And learners, please share this video with your friends. Okay, I am doing the answer for you, and you will, of course, you will make it. Here you see, first one, for one, what will be? Annually, that means once a year. This is called annually. You get your birthday just once a year. Okay, so 1 plus C here. And then for 2, heroic. Actually, what is heroic? For 2, what will be the answer? Heroic. That means very courageous, very brave, very fearless. This is for A. Okay. And the third one, you see, liberation. So what will be the answer for here? Third, liberation. That means very freedom. This is for B. Okay. And then you see for number 4, surrender. So what will be for surrender? Can you tell me? What will be for surrender? Surrender, that means to admit defeat and give up. This is for surrender. Okay. And for 5th, what do you see? This is for endure. And what will be for endure? Endure, that means to bear. You have to bear. This is for E. And last one, you see, for number 6, this is pledge. That means what? You know, this is for promise. And it is number D. Okay, learners, we have completed our matching. And last one here, you see just few questions, and then our class will be finished. Okay, so now you will see some questions. ওকে মাই ডিয়ার লার্নার্স, যারা এখনও ভিডিওটি ফ্রেন্ডদের মাঝে শেয়ার করনি তারা দ্রুত শেয়ার করে দাও, যাতে করে পরে হইলেও তোমার ফ্রেন্ডরা অন্ততপক্ষে আমাদের ক্লাসটা দেখার সুযোগ পায়। আর শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, তোমাদের আরও অনেক অনেক যদি ইংলিশ ক্লাস দেখার প্রয়োজন হয় আমার সঙ্গে, তাহলে কিন্তু তোমরা ভিজিট করে আসতে পারো আমার ইউটিউব চ্যানেল ইংলিশ উইথ রাফিয়া ম্যাম। হ্যাঁ, সেখানে কিন্তু তোমরা অনেক অনেক ইংরেজি তোমাদের প্রয়োজনীয় মোটামুটি সব ক্লাসই পাবা। তো শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, এখানে আমরা কিছু প্রশ্ন দেখব। তো চলো দেখি আমাদের কোন বন্ধু আমাদের এখানে প্রশ্নের আগে সঠিক উত্তর দিতে পারে। আমরা কিন্তু প্রশ্ন অলরেডি দেখতে পেয়ে গেছি, তাই না? তো আমরা প্রথম প্রশ্নটা কি দেখতে পাচ্ছি যে হোয়াই ডু উই ফিল স্যাড অন আওয়ার ভিক্টোরি ডে? ইয়েস, ইউ নো যে দিস ইজ ভিক্টোরি ডে হুইচ ইজ pleasure for us, but we feel sad. Why we feel sad on our victory day? And second question, you see, the night of 25th March is often called the dark night. Why? You know, 25th March is called also dark night, Operation Searchlight. But why? Can you tell me? And then you see, why do you think we celebrate 26th March as our Independence Day? You know, 26th March is our Independence Day. We celebrate this, but why? And last one, very very easy question for you. How many months did we fight to achieve victory in our War of Liberation? How many months? You have to count from March to December, then you will get. So please try to give me the answer at first, and I will give you the answer also. Okay, learners, please try to give me the answer. Okay, I will give you the answer here, and please match my answer with you. Okay. Okay, learners, here I am giving you the answer. And now please match your answer with me. Okay, what you see? For why do we feel sad on our victory day? We feel sad on our victory day because this day reminds us of all the sufferings and pain our people endured during the 9 months liberation war. We feel sad because we think how the people of our country suffering at the time. Okay, and so we feel very sad. And next one you see, the night of 25th March is often called the dark night. Why? The night of 25th March is often called dark night because in this night the Pakistani army swooped down one and killed the innocent Bengali who were very innocent, very unarmed, who were sleeping, who were not active, who were very inactive. Okay. Then you see, why do you think we celebrate 26 March as our Independence Day? Why? We celebrate 26 March as our Independence Day because Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman declared the independence of Bangladesh on that day. So we called this day as Independence Day. And last one you see, how many months we have to fight? Yes, we fought for 9 months. Okay, this is very easy answer for you. So my dear every learners, as your homework, you will make a paragraph, and this paragraph will be about your liberation war. What? This paragraph about will be your homework is a paragraph for liberation war. Okay, and your feelings. So you will try to write a paragraph about our liberation war and your feelings. Okay. So okay, my dear learners, actually here we are going to finish our class and see you again in our next class in Khulna Online School and another online school also. And my dear learners, you can also visit my YouTube channel in any time, which is English with Rafia ma'am. So my dear learners, wish you all the best. Bye.